Anytime now. And the race is on. Entry number 1, Tiger Boy Tiago. From the outside, rushing up is Burning Glow, to the mark. It's now to the mark, followed by Tiger Boy Tiago. Burning Glow is racing on the outside for Dugu's favorite, Living for Love, Citrus Admiral, and Hakuna Matata. Rounding the far turn, to the mark, this time by about 6 lengths. 3 runners fighting out for second, third, and fourth position. Burning Glow taking the second spot, Tiago in the middle, and by the rallies Tiger Boy. As they race the final corner, to the mark by some 5 lengths. Burning Glow, Tiago, and Tiger Boy down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, to the mark, Burning Glow is on the outside, Tiger Boy. It's still to the mark, Tiger Boy, Burning Glow. And finally, to the mark, Tiger Boy, Burning Glow, Living for Love, Tiago, Dugu's favorite, Hakuna Matata, and Citrus Admiral.